Well guys, guess what? Today I worked on a mount for my camera for the Fullscreen machine. Now some of you might remember this bracket. This is what holds the gun on the side of the Fullscreen machine. I decided I'm going to utilize this bracket, or this mount, with this one that I made. And we're going to be putting the GoPro right on top. I got it all painted and everything. So let's put this together on the machine and see how well it works. So where these things are going to go are right on these tabs where this where I put the gun, and then the monitor thingy is sitting right there. Now obviously that thing doesn't work, it just is there for looks. So that's where this is where all that stuff's going to get mounted to. Alright, so now this is one really neat thing that any of you can do when you're building up your machines, is put tabs on it so you'll have access to put your cameras on. And what I have here is just some 3/4, this bolt here, this primary bolt is a 3/4 inch with a lock washer. When it comes to these kind of mounts, if you're going to be putting cameras on your stuff, you want the mounts to be very solid. Now this slot right here is for the gun that gets mounted onto here. This is going to be... Let me move the camera up to right here. Okay, so put the camera, I don't know, and I'll be able to rotate it if I have to. Put a washer on there. And there might be a little bit of movement there, but it comes from this piece of steel that I have bracketed on here. So we might have a little bit of vibration here, but we'll grab the camera. All right. Alright, so let's start this up and see how well. Now to actually get the shots decent, I think I'm going to probably have to put it in a wide shot, a wide angle. So yeah, let's test this out. Oh yeah, just another note here. This is one of those seals that went on the line there for the brake, and yeah, they're just, this is the one that I pulled out of there and replaced it with one that was a little bit better. If you guys know of any place where I might be able to get these things, you know, get like a bag full of them or something like that, that would be awesome. Okay. Ah, man, I tell you what. I have got to do something about this seat. I reached back and I could feel that. See, the curvature of this way the seat is designed is that my back right here, there's just nothing but a pressure point directly on my back because my back arcs this way in the seat. And this seat is designed to arc the other way. So I'm wondering if it's possible for me to grab my heat gun and heat up the plastic around here and get it all nice and hot and soft and then push in on it somehow so it'll be a little bit more conformed to my back. But that's an experiment I really don't know if I want to try or not. Yeah. But anyways, guys, so let me know what you thought of that, and if you know of where I can get more of those little seals, that would be great. And for those of you who are wondering, Cody is okay. Last live stream we had to take him to the hospital. That's one of the reasons why, or last week's live stream I had to take him to the hospital for appendicitis. So Sunday we spent all day in the hospital, and so he's kind of down and out of it. We took him out of school, and he only had 2 weeks worth of school left, which is all right anyways. But he's okay. He's safe. He's all right. They did the 3-point orthoscopic surgery thingy. But anyways, guys, I'm going to get on out of here. Let me know what you thought of the video. I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers and my new viewers. Hello. And yes, we will be doing a live stream this Saturday.
And hopefully you guys can all show up. See you later.